So guys, welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to our vlog, guys. Parang nahahalata niya nila yung kabaklaan namin.
Yeah.
Her dad,
Yeah.
her dad glared at me. Yeah.
Naman pala.
And then, he was like, because I brought her to our family outing, and then I introduced her as my best friend. Best friend. Pero best friend ka lang.
Okay, 0.5 naman lang. Ano na maalat ako?
Best friend ka lang. Best friend ka lang.
1, 2, 3.
Wala, nalaglagit ko pa lang.
Isa pa.
Kita na lang.
1, 2.
Erase shock na rin. Ika kami naghalata angot-angotan mo.
Good apple. Pala.
She was sniffing here. She was sniffing my shoulder. Do you think that's gay? Yeah, that's gay. Why would you sniff on your best friend's shoulder?
Kasi, best friend kayo.
Best friend ka lang. You should act as my best friend.
Ano ba't i-act yung best friend ko kasi di mo doing weird things?
Definitely not sniffing my shoulder.
Man,
That doesn't scream best friend.
my best friend. Ang time picture ang kawan tayo.
Okay.
Basta pa lang ata.
Sige.
Pero best friend ko na.
Pero best friend ka lang.
Yeah,
Best
best friend.
friend ka lang.
Yeah, best friend.
Sabain makbe?
Nagod yung nga pinag-group ko.
There's too much people here. I thought it's a private resort.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are we gonna say? Talk to the camera. We have to talk to the camera. Yeah. This is a private resort.
Supposed to be.
Yeah, this is a private resort, but it seems like we're not the only ones who want to have a pool day. So, pag-spy ni Papa.
Yung garot. So, let's act as a friend lang. Urehan ta makikita sa napat.
Best friend kami. Best friend ko lang siya. Okay?
We're just friends.
Friends.
Jud mo pa naman ko yun. Nagadutik ko ni Will.
Look at my allergy. Sakto man ti mga editin be. Ag-share to lang man ti huramon.
Siyempre
Pa-mention ka lang. Tapos ko,
i-repost
i-repost mo lang.
O, ikaw kan, picturean ka.
Sika, picturean ka. Tapos na ako. Kitak man.
das ka mo.
Kami makara ako.
Nagmayan pwede kami nga part picture of at chessboard.
Ika, ika siya.
Ay, kunyari ka.
Nag-dark mat. Nangisip ka dita. Okay yan.
Nadabi mo yung post ko manan.
Ay. So lonely. Padasin ka man candid. Kita kan. Ay, nabi. Pa yan dati.
Well,